version of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings and scroll down. Now just Security. Click on App Lock over here and choose Enable. Now select one of those login methods for your apps. You can use your current lock screen password or tap on Custom PIN and create a new one. After that, answer the security question or click on it and pick one of those. But you can also just select Custom Question and create your own. Remember to save it by tapping on OK and answer it correctly below. When you're ready, select Finish. Over here, you need to tap on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case, browser. Now, when I click Home button and try to access my browser, as you can see, PIN is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!